Hello, we are so happy you stopped by. Welcome to the Rampart High School Library and Innovation Center. First, let's meet the staff. Mrs. Mascarenas is our library paraprofessional. She's going to be the first face you see as you enter the library, and she's going to help direct you. So if you have questions, please stop and ask her. Mr. Morton is the audio-visual paraprofessional. He can be seen solving audio-visual issues and assisting the library staff. Mrs. Bodie is in charge of textbooks, so she will help you check out and return textbooks, English novels, and help you take care of your library accounting. And this is me. I'm Mrs. McFarlane. I run the library, and I'm kind of a jack of all trades. So if you need help with technology, signing into different school programs like Schoology, or anything else, maybe just someone to talk to, please come visit me in my office and I'm happy to help you out. The library offers lots of comfortable seating. You can come in and have a nice place to relax and be with friends, read, or study. Notice we have lots of options for different sorts of seating and lots of options for books. Look at those beautiful views. We have nonfiction, fiction, and lots of manga in our library. So if you have something you'd like to read, I bet we've got it. And if we don't have it, let us know and we'll try to get our hands on it for you. Our library is set up in a bookstore model, so you will find them organized by genre. So if you're looking for manga, that's all in one place. If you're looking for adventure, that's all in another place. And we do have a great catalog to help you find what you're looking for. Whether we're in person or remote, there are tons of reading options. So be sure you're checking out our library website to be able to access those online ebooks and audiobooks. Computers! Yes, we are in the digital age, and so the library offers many different computer options. One option are the desktops. Your teacher may decide to bring you into the library during class sometimes, or maybe it's lunchtime and you'd like to come in and work on a project or just take some relaxing time to play some games on our computers. You can do that here. Also, we have laptops that you could check out for a day and then return at the end of the day, just in case you need them in a class. If you're interested in checking out a computer for the entire year, please talk to the tech department. All right, this is my favorite part about the library. It's our maker space, from slime and jewelry making all the way to robots and 3D printing. Our library is equipped with tons of amazing tools to create. We like to meet every other week after school to make some really great things. So please come and join us and get techie. Book Club is also a club that is sponsored by the library. We meet once a week during lunch in the fiction section of the library. Bring your snacks, bring your friends, bring your favorite book, and enjoy time together. You also get to go to the Teen Literature Conference. You're the first people that get to see the new books. We have cookies and more. So please join us in the library once a week during lunch for some reading fun. Finally, the library and the library staff loves being a place where students can get together and enjoy each other's company. And we can't wait for you to be a part of this next year. We are Rampart.